happening? Day off today. I was hoping to work on the old Jaguar. The J. But typical British summertime. Absolutely fucking pissing it down outside. Bored shitless. Stuck indoors. Can't do nothing. Housework. I don't think so. Sat outside literally watching my car get covered in rain. Nothing to do. But Royal Mail. No, that's a lie. Parcel Force has just dropped me off an international parcel, and I think it can only be one thing. It's very well packaged. Looks very fucking small though. That's a well. That's been like, oh, maybe customs. Let's open that shit before, isn't it? Just get a little stabby up in there, mate. Cut that open. Come on, dude. Hey, pig dog. You alright, mate? Look at this dog's little ear, mate. Right, it's got cauliflower ear. It's never been the same. That little bitch. Yeah, you. She bit the motherfucker. Poor little dog. Look at him. As if he wasn't ugly enough. Evil cat. You evil cat. Anyway, get off. Go away. Go on, shush. Let's open this thing up. See what we got. Okay. Okay, dokie. Get over there. So, we've got some stuff. What the fuck that is? It's really fun that I've just sent the wrong shit, isn't it? What's this then? Oh. Our performance. Trust the old 3M tape. Can't go wrong with that shit, can you? Some sort of reducer. Get out of here. Some sort of fucking bend. Really? What else we got up hiding in here? What's this then? Get off, you! Go on! There you go. Just Jubilee fucking this, right? Have a look at this thing then. She's done some miles. I tell you now, the old carbon footprint of this parcel, Mush. She's up there, mate. She's up there. I think it's Carson City to LAX, from LAX to Heathrow, from Heathrow to Gatwick, and then from Gatwick to my house on the south coast. Yeah, so the old carbon footprint's high. High in this one. And there's a few more squirrels are going to die. A couple more baby drowning. Polar bears and shit. Get off. Really? Dented end and shit. What the fuck is that? That looks hella. Now I know what this piece of shit's for. That goes on there, doesn't it? And that goes to my old rocker cover. Yeah. Look at that. Goes onto the throttle body, which looks absolutely nothing like the pipe that you get advertised on Mila Gallery or website. I'll add a picture in a minute. I don't know if it's just how you Americans roll over there, but to me that's some false advertising. Quality. Is it quality? You know, to me it just feels like some generic cheap shit. Same as that. off the shelf of any automotive factory around the world. And look, then there's no performance. But even then, they don't look fuck all like the picture. Oh, inside that now. Yeah. Got reducer for the math, I'll take it. All in all, not overly impressed with it, if I'm honest. It's not what the website displays. Not what the picture is on the website, if I'm honest. Why, can anyone explain to me why that's dented? Has that been fucked up in transit, or is it meant to be like that? I can't see it being meant to be like that, if I'm honest with you. You know, like, what's occurring, mate? Or is it like that then, boy? You know, he looks like a flat tyre there. A bit of a D. Want some D, girl? You want some D? Yeah, anyway, like I'm saying, not impressed with it. Don't look like what is on the website. Load of cheap ass shit with it. Cheap ass fucking clips. Generic old fucking toot. And some fucking piece of shit rubber dong. But yeah, see what it looks like on the motor. Like my parking. I couldn't get it in my house, so I'll park it like right outside my house. Need to sort something out with that pile of shit over there. Well, both of them piles of shit actually. That little fucking dinghy needs to go. That 320 CLK, I really need to get that sorted and sold. Because it's just sat there doing nothing. Like literally owes me nothing. It's probably why I haven't really been rushing to get it going, if I'm honest with you. Not what it shows on the website. But yeah, quality, pretty shit, if I'm honest. Rubber fucking dicks and shit. Cheap ass fucking bits. Jubilee. 304. Oh, does that mean for math. I think it does show that on the website. Insert the picture again. Ugly fucking R performance bullshit. Well, to be fair, it's not ugly. It's okay. You know, probably look better after a couple of beers. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I'm saying? It's like one of them birds you see that you think is absolute fucking mint, and then when you wake up next to her in the morning, you're like, oh my god, what have I done? That's ugly as fuck. But you still did it anyway. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm still gonna bang this shit on anyway. But yeah, overall, not actually that impressed. No, it wasn't an awful lot of money. I think it was like $212 or something. But then I had to wait. Hang on, how long did I have to wait? Waited 2.5 weeks for fucking rubber dicks. Yeah, rubber dicks and cheap ass connectors and fucking, yeah, just jank, horrible shit. I'll bang it on anyway, see what it's like, because probably cost me the same again to fucking send it back. I mean, and wait 65 million years to get a refund for like 200 fucking quid. It's not even worth it. So I'll put it on. I will upload this video though, so everyone else can see what you actually get, opposed to what is advertised. So, you know, if the people selling this sees this video, eat a rubber fucking dick and sell what the fuck is advertised on your website, or put some updated pictures on there. Don't sort it out. So I'm hella impatient really. Still fucking raining out here with the old Jaguar. Let's get this pile of shit on, see what it looks like, see what it sounds like, see how good it is, or isn't. Find out, I guess. You fucking looking at it. But yeah, see what see what it feels like, you know. I'll hold on my breath, see what happens. So this is what I'm rolling with at the minute. Already got myself a reducer on there. Pipe goes through to boom. I don't know if you can see that in there. It's quite a hefty K&N, like legit K&N, not like cheap ass eBay shit. Well, like saying that is cheap ass eBay shit. I'll take that back. Yeah, so it's like 8mm there or some shit. See what's on the other side? 8mm there, Super D, pop, 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 pop. Take that shit off. You know, all things considered, like rubber dicks and shit clips and that. It took about 2 seconds to cut, honestly. And you know, it's not actually that bad. We're going to chop that down. I don't like that. Chop that down. Less of a bend and that shit. But, you know, I'll take it back. It's actually pretty sick. It's alright as well. These got more fake ass jag pads on it. Whatever. What's up? I'll get that chopped down. It's not bad, mate. It's not bad. Stop that because it is fucking hammering it down, son. So yeah, all in all, not bad. It's alright for the money. You know, it's a fucking long ass wait, but I think it's like $212. So it's like including shipping. It's like £170 or something. To be fair, 170 quid for a shitty little bit of aluminium pipe and some cheap ass connectors and that is quite a bit of money. But it's what it is, isn't it? You know, everything there is probably maybe 50 or 60 quid's worth of bits for 170 quid. Yeah, actually. Fucking been done, haven't I? But either way, it's on the motor. Like I said, fitted really well. It took like, as long as it takes to get that intake pipe off, it's as quick as it puts the other one on. It is a piece of piss. I'll see what it's like out on the road. Like I said, I don't think I'm going to notice any major noise difference because I've already got that massive K&N. But on their website, if it's to be believed, reckons the intake pipe and an air filter which sits in the engine bay getting heat soak gives it like 20 horsepower or something, 18 to 20 horsepower. So if that is to be believed, we'll see what happens, see what it feels like when it's out on the road, because obviously I've got a proper cold air intake, so it gets no heat soak, rammed for the cold air, or as cold as it can be. So obviously that old intake design, it's got fucking ribs and shit and all sorts of stuff over it, quite narrow. So it is going to be restrictive, 100%. So yeah, like I said, we'll see what it's like when it gets out on the road. Gin and juice, baby, gin and juice.